Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that's perfect for those of us who love to whip up smoothies, soups, and other delicious blended treats without sacrificing space. We found the Bella Fits Anywhere Flip and Store Blender and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this blender stand out. The Bella Fits Anywhere Flip and Store Blender is not just any blender. It features a unique space-saving design that's part of the Fits Anywhere kitchenware system. This innovative design allows the 6-cup jar to flip onto the base, saving up to 50% more space when stored. If you're living in a compact kitchen or a small apartment, this is a game-changer. You can tuck it away easily without it taking up valuable counter space. One of the key highlights of this blender is its powerful blending capability. With a robust 520-watt motor and a durable 4-tip stainless steel blade, the Bella blender effortlessly crushes ice and blends both fresh and frozen fruits. Whether you're making a refreshing smoothie, a warm soup, or a zesty salsa, you can expect a smooth and consistent blend every time. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different recipes. Customization is another great feature of the Bella blender. It comes with 10 speed control settings, which means you can blend, puree, liquefy, or crush your ingredients to perfection. This flexibility is fantastic, especially if you're making a protein shake for a quick meal or a frozen drink for a summer gathering. The options are truly endless, allowing you to find the perfect consistency for whatever you're creating. Now, let's talk about practicality. The 6-cup, BPA-free jar is designed with an easy-to-hold handle and an easy pour spout, making it simple to serve your culinary creations without the worry of spills. Plus, the removable measuring cap in the lid allows for precise ingredient additions while blending, which can be especially handy when you're trying to follow specific recipes or control your portion sizes. Cleaning up after blending can often be a hassle, but with the Bella Flip and Store Blender, that's a breeze. Both the jar and lid are dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and efficient cleanup. On top of that, the cord tucks away neatly, keeping your countertop clutter-free and adding to the sleek design of this blender. So, who is this blender suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a student, or anyone who values convenience and efficiency in the kitchen, this blender fits the bill perfectly. It's also ideal for health enthusiasts who want to create nutritious smoothies and meals on the go. With its compact design and powerful performance, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen, no matter the size. In terms of practical use cases, imagine starting your day with a healthy green smoothie packed with fruits and vegetables, all blended to perfection. Or consider hosting friends for a weekend brunch, where you can easily whip up refreshing frozen drinks or smooth salsas to accompany your dishes. The Bella blender is versatile enough to handle various tasks, making it an essential tool for your culinary adventures. In conclusion, the Bella Fits Anywhere Flip and Store Blender combines power, versatility, and a space-saving design that's perfect for modern kitchens. Whether you're a blending novice or a seasoned pro, this blender can help you create delicious and healthy recipes with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.